Hey there, it's Shannon, your trusted real estate expert, and today we're going to tackle a common dilemma. Should you buy your new home first or sell your current one? So let's break it down. Buying first gives you a seamless transition. No temporary housing, no rush to move, but be prepared for potential financial stress from 2 mortgages and pressure to sell quickly. Selling first offers financial clarity, you'll know exactly what you can afford, and you'll be a stronger buyer. However, you might need temporary housing and could feel rushed to buy. So what's the right move? Consider these factors. 1, market conditions. In a seller's market, selling first can be advantageous, and in a buyer's market, buying first might make sense. Number 2 is your finances. Can you handle 2 mortgages? If not, selling first is safer. And number 3, risk tolerance. Comfortable with uncertainty? Buying first gives you more control, and if you prefer stability, sell first. Don't forget about the alternatives out there in the lending market that can help you sell before you buy. They can offer flexibility in certain situations. And remember, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your unique circumstances and the current market. But if you need help figuring out the best strategy for your situation, that's what I'm here for. Let's chat and create a plan that works for you. Or you can come by in person to our next Bay Area selling workshop. The details are below. Remember, I'm Shannon, here to educate and navigate, not speculate and fabricate.